Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to use the Project Requests and Approvals template in Monday.com. This template helps you manage requests, get approvals, and stay organized. Let's jump in. Step 1. Create a board from the template. First, open Monday.com. On the left sidebar, click Workspaces, then the plus icon next to it. Click New Board, then select Use a Template. In the search bar, type Project Requests and Approvals, or just Requests. Click the template to load it, and Monday will automatically create a ready-to-use board. Once the board is open, you'll see important columns like Request Name, the title of the project, Requested By, who submitted the request, Priority, high, medium, or low, Due Date, when it's needed, Approval Status, pending, approved, or rejected. This setup helps you see every request and its progress at a glance. Step 3. Add a new request. To add a request, click New Item. Fill out the details: name of the project, who requested it, deadline, priority, additional details. This makes sure the approver has all the information to make a decision. Step 4. Approve or reject requests. The approver simply updates the approval status column. They can choose pending, approved, or rejected. You can also move requests to different groups, assign team members, or attach files. This keeps the workflow organized and transparent. Step 5. Automate notifications. You can add automations by clicking Automations at the top. For example, notify the approver when a new request is added. Notify the requester when their request is approved or rejected. These automations save time and reduce manual work. And that's it. Using the Project Requests and Approvals template in Monday.com makes managing requests easy and organized. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.